Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to source for the latest car news, reviews, and insights. Today, we are diving into a true icon reimagined for the modern era, the 2026 Citroën 2CV. This legendary vehicle, originally known for its simplicity and practicality, has returned with a fresh new design, updated technology, and a blend of retro charm with futuristic appeal. The 2026 Citroën 2CV stays true to its roots while embracing innovation. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for urban commuting and countryside adventures. The exterior maintains the classic rounded silhouette, but with refined aerodynamics and modern LED lighting. The signature corrugated bonnet and soft lines are reminiscent of the original model, yet it now has a more contemporary and stylish look that appeals to both classic car lovers and modern drivers alike. Under the hood, the 2026 2CV is available in both an efficient hybrid and a fully electric version. The electric variant comes with a range of approximately 250 miles on a full charge, making it ideal for daily use. It supports fast charging, allowing an 80% charge in just under 30 minutes. The hybrid option offers a balance of fuel efficiency and low emissions, catering to those who still prefer a combustion engine with electrified support. Inside the cabin, Citroën has focused on simplicity and comfort. The minimalistic dashboard features a digital display with smartphone connectivity, offering a seamless interface for navigation, music, and vehicle controls. The seats, inspired by the original model, are designed for maximum comfort with sustainable materials, ensuring an eco-friendly touch. Despite its compact size, the interior is surprisingly spacious, with smart storage solutions to maximize usability. Driving the 2026 2CV is an enjoyable experience, thanks to its smooth suspension and agile handling. Citroën has incorporated an advanced suspension system that provides a comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. The steering is light and responsive, making it a breeze to navigate through city streets and winding country roads. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring that modern drivers get the best of both worlds in terms of classic charm and contemporary safety standards. Customization is another highlight of the 2026 2CV. Buyers can choose from a range of vibrant colors and retro-inspired trim options to make their car truly unique. The removable fabric roof, a nod to the classic model, adds an element of fun and versatility, allowing for open-air driving whenever desired. Citroën has truly embraced the essence of the original 2CV while adapting it for today's lifestyle. Pricing for the 2026 Citroën 2CV is expected to be competitive, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable yet stylish and efficient vehicle. It is designed to appeal to a broad audience, from nostalgic fans of the original to younger drivers looking for a quirky and eco-friendly car that stands out on the road. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Citroën 2CV. Let us know in the comments what you think about this modern take on a beloved classic. Would you drive one? Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews and updates from Car Updater. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest car news and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching Car Updater, and we will see you in the next video.